Is it in our nature to have a temper? Is it the way the weather sings? Through our voices, fights and frustrations, that's why they're never worth their weight. I read the newspapers, I heard the doomsdayers on a soapbox in the rain. Right as you disappear, they cried the end is near, nothing will ever be the same. The birds flew south, I'm envious as I lock my door and I hope for the best. I don't wanna be alone, it's hurricane season, you know. I need someone to hold, it's hurricane season, you know. Cans in the cupboard, our anxious mothers, the dogs are under the bed. Hard pill to swallow, the pride that follows you out and leaves me for dead. St. John's to Boston, your guilty conscience roams and hollers at your heels. The note is still intact, you left it when you packed all the bitter words you feel. The birds flew south, I'm envious as I lock my door and I hope for the best. I don't wanna be alone, well it's hurricane season, you know. I need someone to hold as the wind kicks in. It's hurricane season, you know. I read the newspapers, I heard the doomsdayers on a soapbox in the rain. I read the newspapers, I heard the doomsdayers, nothing will ever be the same. I read the newspapers, I heard the doomsdayers on a soapbox in the rain. I read the newspapers, I heard the doomsdayers, nothing will ever be the same. I don't wanna be alone, well it's hurricane season, you know. I need someone to hold as the wind kicks in. Candlelight dial tone, it's hurricane season. Yeah, it's hurricane season on the East Coast.